We just reached Ocean View Park, here in Bislig. So this is an hour drive from Trento. You have a good view of the Bislig Bay. Then the challenge here is to walk. Akit si ma'am. Ito yung entrance niya. So hindi masyado. How many steps kaya to? 1, 2, 3. Paakyat siya. Pataas. Go ahead, kuya. Forested yung area. So today is Holy Thursday. We left Tagum kanina mga past 8 AM. Now we had breakfast here in McDonald's Tagum near Robinsons. Then stopover namin sa Trento. This is the view. There 1/4 of the way pa. Paakyat kami. That's overlooking Bislig Bay. Surigao kasi is facing the Pacific, so heavy rains. Kaya you have tropical forest. Daming mga kahoy dito. Ito lang paakyat, but yung stairs naman nila, yung rise ng stairs, mga I think for average of 4 inches lang or less pa nga. So magandang ganito na stairs para hindi masyado pagod. Tayo. Fresh air, fresh air. So we left Jensen kahapon, past 1 PM na. Then we decided to stay overnight in Tagum kasi gabi na. Naipit kami sa traffic sa Davao Diversion Road. So we want to travel day para we appreciate yung destinations dito sa northeastern part of Mindanao. Now when you say northeastern, these are the 4 provinces of Agusan Del Sur, Agusan del Norte, Surigao Sur, and Surigao del Norte. We're supposed to visit yung Agusan Marsh, but hindi makakapasok sa area. Medyo dadaan pa sa mga permitting requirements. Okay, mamaya pagdating namin sa taas, we'll yan na, hopefully siguro yung pinakataas ng Ocean Park. Ano to, Chinese? They have yung rest area here. Okay.